Let us begin with puzzle number 1. It's super easy. The correct answer is Superman. Coming to puzzle number 2. The correct answer is Dorman.
Well, this character of puzzle number 3 is popular. The correct answer is Jerry. Guess the one at number 4. The correct answer is Bunny. This used to be most popular. Guess that could be number 5. The correct answer is Star Wars. Coming to this character, it is mischievous at number 6. The correct answer is Mickey. Remember the horse sound. Guess the puzzle number 7. The correct answer is Donald. Well, the iconic voiceless character, guess him at number 8. The correct answer is Charlie. Coming to number 9, how can you forget the tall man? The correct answer is Laurel. The Spinach Man is at number 10. The correct answer is Popeye. Puzzle number 11. This is a game most popular in US. The correct answer is baseball. This ancient sport is still a skill is at the puzzle number 12. The correct answer is archery. Puzzle number 13. Guess the thing that everyone wishes to get. The correct answer is supercar. Love to drink. Puzzle number 14 is super easy. The correct answer is Coca-Cola. For solving puzzle number 15, think of long ropes. The correct answer is noodles. Puzzle number 16. This reminds you of oranges. The correct answer is Mirinda. Now the puzzle number 17. The correct answer is Rosetta. Coming to puzzle number 18. The correct answer is beautify. Puzzle number 19. Think of great man of great nation. correct answer is Well, puzzle number 20 is not most common name. The correct answer is George. Puzzle number 21 is also easy to guess. The correct answer is systems. It's not really a puzzle at number 22. Everyone wait for this day. The correct answer is holiday. At number 23 is a man who dominates. The correct answer is Big Boss.
New to this channel? Please subscribe and take your knowledge to next level. It's Quizcracker presentation.